chicken noodle soup. And it's raining outside. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step is you're gonna wanna cook your veggies or your vegetables, and you're gonna wanna put some olive oil inside the pot. About that much. Then we have some different kinds of veggies. We have some celery, we have some onion, and then we also have some different kinds of carrots. So let's pour them in. Okay, so you can put some garlic inside right now, but it has to be fresh because it has to cook. But we don't have any leftover garlic, so we're gonna have to do these dried garlic. But add that when you do your seasonings. You're gonna want to cook it up on medium heat until they're nice and soft. Okay guys, so now that our veggies are soft, you're gonna want to put in some chicken, but we're not using real chicken. So this chicken only has to cook for a minute or two. But real chicken, you have to get all that germs out. So you might want to cook it all by itself or cook it with the veggies. Okay guys, so now it's time to add your seasonings. So we have this cute, just for flavoring, we have these cute little chicken, not real chicken,
flavor cubes.
Flavor cubes. And then we have our garlic. And then you should really have fresh parsley, but since it's storming outside and everything's, not alive, so we have to use these parsley flakes, dry parsley flakes, and a little extra salt and pepper. Okay, so if you don't have these little cubes, you can always do your own seasonings and add a little bit more of salt and pepper. So after all your veggies are done and your meat, you're going to want to add your ButterBeanz vegetable broth and a whole bottle of it. Or if you want, you can use 2 to make your soup not chunky. And if you have it, a few tablespoons of nutritional yeast to make it creamy. And because it's good for you. So sometimes we don't always use this kind of chicken. If you eat too much processed foods, it'll give you a tummy ache. I have a lot of tummy ache problems. I don't need more. So that's why she doesn't really use it. So she only uses it once in a while. And most times she even uses chickpeas or some tofu. My mommy always says that you should fry up the tofu in some nice butter. Or you could just dump it in, it'll be fine. But I think she likes it, if you fry it up with some butter, it makes it more fatty. Okay, so when your soup is still a little bit cooking, getting together, you can either make a chicken noodle soup, or you can make a chicken rice soup. So we had lots of rice left, so that's why my mom decided to put the rice in. If you're going to do the noodles or the rice, you're going to want to cook it not in the same pot, a separate part. So once it's done cooking, you're going to put it together, and then your soup's all complete. Okay guys, so after you're done putting your soup together, you want to cook it for 10 to 20 minutes, and then so that it can make the broth nice and bubbly. Okay guys, so now that our soup is all finished, so it's yummy. And you also might want some bread with this. we're gonna eat it. Thank you for watching. Bye.